Hello everyone, myself Kavita Musale from PS Modern College of Engineering. Today I will show you how to create a website using wordpress.com. Open browser and type www.wordpress.com. A new page will come with many options. I will click on Get Started. Now you have to follow step 1 to 4. Step 1 is you have to create a site. For that, give name of your site, write down about your site and primary goal of your site and click on continue. Step 2 is you have to give site and address. I will write here LCO. Below this you can find out list. I will click on free. Step 3 is you have to pick up a plan. I will go for start with free as this is demo version. Step 4 is you have to create your account. Write down your mail address, username and password and click on continue. As I have created my website, I will go for the login. Here I will write down my username. Click on continue and type your password. I will give URL in the browser. This is the preview of my website. Here I have added some pages, blogs. Click on my site. Here you can find various options like site pages, blog post, media. I'll show you how to add blog post and site pages. Click on customize. Here you can find out multiple options, site identity, colors and background, fonts, header image, menus. I will click on site identity. Here I will write down site title as a demo. Tagline I will write as a my first website. If you want, you can add logo as well and click on publish. My change will reflect here. I have changed site title as well as tagline. Similarly, go back, click on again customize. You can change the colors and background. You can change font. I will click on font. I will choose font. As a Lato. You can change the base font as well. So the change is reflected here. Not yet. I'll have to publish first. Published. The change is reflected here. Now if you want to add the pages to your site, you have to go to the dashboard. I'll show you. For the dashboard, you have to type WP admin after your website. /WP admin / enter. From here you can add post, media, links, pages and so on. I will show you how to add post. Click on post, add new. Now click here the title, my first post. In the content I'll write hello everyone and click on publish. If you don't want this post, you can click on move to trash to delete it. Now I have created, I'll click on update. I have created my post. Similarly, you can add media. If I want to add pages, just click on pages, add new. Similarly, you can click on appearance. You can change theme, customize widgets, menus and header. So this way I have created my website. You can also create the same. Thank you.